Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing essentials. Open Genshin and the interactive map tool on the same device or a second device. Once done, sign in and grant the app permissions for clipboard and location so pins can copy and sync. Now start a new map project and pick the region you play in. This ensures markers match your world level and map filter presets. Make sure your account names match across tools so imported markers attach to your profile automatically. Next, you bring in actual map data. Import a CSV, JSON, or use the app's built-in scanner to add waypoints from screenshots. Once imported, enable layers for ores, chests, teleporters, bosses, and puzzles so you see only what matters. Adjust filters for world level, time-limited events, and custom tags to reduce clutter. While doing this, verify coordinates and correct any offset by testing a single marker in-game to confirm alignment before bulk edits. Finish by saving your map and turning on cloud sync or export backups to avoid loss. Then test in-game. Open the interactive map and navigate to a saved marker, confirm the location, and mark it collected or unresolved. If markers are offset or invisible, clear the tool's cache, re-import the layer, or check that browser/device permissions aren't blocking data. If a single marker fails, recreate it manually. If many fail, export, delete, and re-import the dataset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.